The Minister for Health, Senator Mary Isaac, was granted special leave to address the House of Assembly at Tuesday's sitting. Her mission to update parliamentarians on the government's plans and procedures to deal with the deadly virus COVID-19. Against the backdrop of a barrage of criticism of the government's handling of this looming pandemic, Senator Isaac provided the nation's lawmakers with a checklist on what the government is doing to minimize the impact of this disease.
Present capacity of the hospital isolation unit that we have is 15 beds. Sensitization of non-healthcare workers is ongoing. This includes, but is not limited to, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Tourism, Tourism Authority, St. Lucia Hotel and Tourism Association, St. Lucia Air and Seaport Authority, Chamber of Commerce, our police force, the fire service, the transportation sector, including minibus operators, and the taxi association.
Senator Isaac said St. Lucia will soon have the capacity to test for COVID-19 with, she says, the equipment en route to the island.
The equipment to facilitate testing for COVID-19, however, has been procured and shipped, and the 7-day training for the lab staff is scheduled to commence with the arrival of the equipment.
Globally, the number of cases continues to rise, with the United States and Italy registering sharp increases. The Director General of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, warns that countries must fight the virus at all fronts.
It's not about containment or mitigation, which is a false dichotomy. It is about both containment and mitigation. All countries must take a comprehensive, blended strategy for controlling their epidemics and pushing this deadly virus back.
St. Lucia remains among a minority of nations not to have reported a case of COVID-19. Jamaica had its first confirmed case on Tuesday, but medical experts agree that it's just a matter of time. The onset of this disease in St. Lucia will test the healthcare system and the organizational structures and procedures put in place for that eventuality. Stanley Lucien for the HTS News Force.